So record is started, right? So we can see here it is. First, I said no to maintain our computer and to troubleshoot any issues. Okay, few things depends upon certain things in our systems, like a application is not opening. It may be because of certain things in your system you are getting that kind of issue. Okay, or you are unable to connect the network because of certain issue in your computer, not always outside issue. Okay, not always a virus. Okay, since generally we have that kind of mentality, right? In system something is not working. Okay, we will say it's a virus. We never check it what is a really an issue it is. Okay, is an application related, operating system related, backend any service related, registry related. Okay, we never check that one, or any other solution is there also we don't check. We simply throw on a antivirus or virus, sorry, not antivirus, virus. And if in case you have an antivirus, still you have a problem, then what we say, antivirus is not working, or antivirus is not at all working. You know, when I see some few computers, recently one laptop also there. Okay, so usually people will put a 2 antiviruses in same system is very slow, and people given a statement, I have a 2 antiviruses, system is still slow, because that virus, these two are wasted, they are not scanning any viruses. Okay, they are not scanning any viruses. Okay, these 2 antiviruses are wasted. I have 2 antiviruses, still virus problem is there, not solved. Problem is not virus, not antivirus. Problem is you are having 2 antiviruses, double dose. Okay, so how antivirus functions? So antivirus is a real-time scanner. It is normally not like you open antivirus and scan. That is offline scanner type. Okay, it is like an online scanner type. Normally antiviruses, most of our antiviruses are online scanners only, not offline scanners. Really, you don't require to scan entire your system. Okay, not required, compulsory, not required. You are already having a system from last few days you are using. Now installed especially antivirus. So then you may require to scan entire system. Okay, so I am using a system from last 6 months. I installed an, I don't have any antivirus earlier. So I got a doubt there is a virus. Now I install antivirus and I will scan entire my system. That is okay. But uh, it is a fresh PC, no virus inside. It is a fresh PC. You install a antivirus. You purchase a laptop. You got a laptop with a McAfee. No need to scan entire your system every day, because it's a online scanner, means direct any real-time scanner, not exactly online scanner. It is real-time scanner. Real-time scanner means when you open a notepad, you open a word pad, you open a PDF, you open a browser, you open some URL. Okay, some website you open, some application you open. For example, you open a CC cleaner, or maybe you open a Outlook, you open a VLC player. So immediately your scanner will, your antivirus will scan that process, scan that application. Any problem is there inside. If any problem is, immediately it report. It will stop the process. You delete the virus. Don't delete it. It will report you. It will tell you what to do. It is a potentially harmful. It is a potentially harmful. Do you want to delete? Do you want to quarantine? Quarantine word is a more popular, got more popular in a COVID time. Quarantine word is more popular in a COVID time. Okay, but in an antivirus is people, we are using antivirus from so many days, right? So in that also there is a word quarantine. Move to chest, move to vault, quarantine. This is simply, it is they put all these files, virus affected files. Your antivirus put them into one isolated chamber. So that's one secret behind is also there. Meaning is you are using an antivirus. Antivirus is protect your system. Okay, so protect your system. If it is find any viruses, it keeps in a quarantine. So keep it in a quarantine. Okay, because of why it is in a quarantine. In case any you find that application is very useful, not a virus thing, so you can recollect it. You can take the data from it if possible in the future. Okay, so then it will put in a quarantine. If you don't want, you can delete it, but really it won't delete. Somewhere it is saved. Why? Because of in the future you think I don't have any viruses. Why should I use this antivirus? Why should I renewal this antivirus? I paid for 1 month because 1 month. Sorry, I paid for 1 year because first year 1 year license is it's just a 200 rupees or 500 rupees by discount I got it. For renewal is 2000 rupees. Why should I pay 2000 rupees? I'll remove this antivirus. Okay, I will install a new antivirus. So I will get it again. No need of paying 2000 for a fresh antivirus. It is a 500 rupees or 200 rupees only. Okay, so what will happen? So when you are remove your antivirus, first of all you can't remove easily, and anyway you are uninstall your antivirus. So what are the quarantined viruses are there? It is the protection will be removed to that particular files, the virus affected files. It is in isolated, so they don't react with your process. Viruses in an isolated chamber, so complete closed chamber, not react with your any system process. Whenever this antivirus is removed, your antivirus, it is protecting your virus files. The protection will be gone, so they can easily spread into your system once you touch it. So that is very dangerous. So be careful. Like you use paid versions, proper paid versions, guys. Properly paid versions, you can use it. Okay, or you can use a free version, but check the what is the type of free version it is. Okay, so try to avoid certain free versions. Okay, don't never use antivirus cracked version. Never use your antiviruses cracked versions, because crack means it's a virus which activates your product. I have some earlier days when some applications required, so it required a licensing. So I don't have any license because I cannot pay for running some trial versions. Okay, trial won't support anyway, so I need to install a crack. These cracks, key generators, are nothing but virus. So never use any antivirus with cracks and keygens. So that is a very important. So next, sorry, never use more than one antivirus. Next, some people will get a doubt. We have a Windows Defender. So why more than one antivirus we cannot use it? So here it is. If you install two antiviruses, system will slow. Okay. Okay. Example, if you use two antiviruses, system will very slow. It become very slow. Very slow, not slow. Very slow. Very slow. System will get very slow. Okay, so why? Because of it scans each other. It's scanning is each other. So uninstall any one antivirus. Okay, antivirus. You can try it. Okay, so try to uninstall any antiviruses. If in case of you are unable to uninstall virus, go to safe mode. I think already I explained how to go to safe mode. Okay, so go to safe mode, try to uninstall. But I'm telling guys again, what is a safe mode? It is a minimal version of OS, means your Windows OS only. Of course, safe mode is in a different ways also there in the Linux and other operating systems. Safe mode is there. Okay, so in Windows also we have a safe mode. So go to minimal version of operating system used for troubleshooting. Safe mode, in a safe mode, in a safe mode. So your drivers, your device drivers like graphic drivers, audio drivers, okay, printer drivers, okay, sound related drivers or video related and means multimedia related drivers. So in a safe mode, device drivers won't work. Okay, process related means applications process related application, background process applications. Application means your antivirus is also an application. Your application means your antivirus is also an application, but I'm telling antiviruses application. Viruses not work in a safe mode. So what is the thing? Okay, so if any uninstallable applications unable to delete files, you are unable to delete some files, unable to uninstall applications. Uninstall is now drivers, system updates, we can uninstall or remove, delete from system. So this is you can install from the system. That is the use of safe mode. Anyway, I'm repeating this, how to go to safe mode. First of all, yes, some people will get confused with restart and do this kind of stuff. When I said restart, people will do complete restart, means system will restart completely and they will go to try to go to press the key buttons. Even when I say like in a service desk, non-service like CTS people are there. So people are asked sir how to go to BIOS settings because they want to do some setting in that one, like virtualization enable thing. So how you get better to go to BIOS setting. They said sir this option is not available. In general you can go to BIOS setting from like this also you can go. Okay, there is option is there, like you can go to settings. Okay, you can go to settings there you can find advanced settings part. Like here it is, update and security. There you can find a recovery. Okay, you can find recovery. So under recovery, advanced options like that one, you can click on it. Once you click on it, your system will be restarted. So why it is closed? Last time it is happened like that only. Something problem in my system again. Maybe in operating system, we have to check it. How to check it? Okay. So people will get confused, like after you restart, press the button. So to avoid that confusion, what I'm telling, so power off system. First of all, power off the system. Then press the power button. Press the power button. When you press the power button, guys, so immediately look at in your screen. Don't see somewhere. Don't check your mobile. You press the power button on the screen. It shows one thing is how to go to setup. Sometimes setup or a BIOS setup kind of stuff. The setup means to go to BIOS. Setup means to go to BIOS. That's the first one. What is the second point is here it is, we are in a safe mode. So when you press the power button, so press F8. There is a function key called F8 on your keyboard. Sometimes you have to press function plus F8, means both function and F8, because of in our laptops we have the merged keyboard is now, so it is not complete our keyboard, complete keyboard. It is a multimedia based keyboard we are getting, right? So obviously few things will be like sound control, display control, display on or off kind of stuff is merged with your function keys. So what happened? You have to press the function Fn, press the Fn and press F8. Okay, like this to go to the save mode. This is our one route. Okay, in some places, in some computers, shift plus F8. Okay, in some computers F8 won't work directly. You have to press the Fn button, then shift plus F8. So generally it is F8 to go to save mode. Okay, so next to go to the save mode, one more is there when system is running mode only. Generally my system is running here. Go to run ms config, type ms config in that one. There you can go to boot option. There you can check safe mode plus networking. Another box is safe mode. In the safe mode you have to go with the networking part. Okay, so and restart for networking, apply, restart now. Select the restart now. System will restart. It will go to safe mode. That is the one thing. Next step. So when you press F8, you got a safe mode selection screen. You have to select safe mode with networking or safe mode. Both are okay. Not safe mode with command prompt. It is only command prompt. You can select safe mode only, or you can select safe mode with the networking. Okay, and other options also there, very useful for a troubleshooting options also there. When system is running, so other way to go to is also to go to safe mode to go to safe mode. System is okay, guys. So here it is. One point I already covered. System is slow. If in case a system is slow, so first complaint is system is slow. Okay. So there is a lot of possibilities are there. So case one, in my area, it is because of applications, antiviruses, possible lot of load of application, big applications. Okay, heavy applications. Install a heavy application, you cannot able to uninstall it. You install some heavy application, like I installed a solar winds. No, not solar winds. I forget the name. So my brother's application it is. This belongs to mechanical. He want some 3D mechanical related things, not Pro E kind of stuff. It is, or not AutoCAD. It is. It's that related to that one only. Solar SolidWorks. Sorry, SolidWorks. I installed a SolidWorks in BC, so I want to try myself. Like I have that kind of itching is there. Okay, so like once I will try how it is. What happened? It is very slow down my system. It's a heavy application. Okay, and antiviruses. Another reason is because of more than one antiviruses. Okay, so here it is. I started with antivirus related. So first of all, I started with and I directly started antiviruses. How I connected? Just look at here. If in case you have a more than one antivirus is there, system is slow down. In that case, is what to do? Compulsory go to safe mode. Why safe mode is important here? Normally antiviruses sometimes you can install very easily, sometimes not. Sometimes it runs in a background. You can't able to uninstall. You can't able to uninstall. So what to do? Go to safe mode and go to safe mode. Then there is an application, your antiviruses. You can uninstall it. Or go to your application, which is a heavy application. You can uninstall the application very easily. All application okay, which is not handled by your system. System is unable to handle it. Next, another important is uninstall additional antiviruses and unused applications too. Unused applications also can do it. So heavy applications, more than one thing, one application, unused application. Why it is not a class is not straight line. Even a question is same question but not straight line. This is the what you have to do, guys. Take a question, put it everything into that one, putting a one by one, what are the thinking you are getting. So put it everything in that one. Later put it everything in a straight line. Practice. So then you can give an answer very clearly. Yes, not only I'm giving a training just for only this particular interview. In the future, if you are attending any interview, this training is very useful for you. So that is a multi-purpose I'm giving. I can give questions and you can see by like you can read it, these questions and answers. I no need to explain it also. Okay, but point is, in the future also it is very useful now and later also. The way you prepare for a interview, so then how you present, how you collect the information and the way you are presenting it. So that is an important thing uh, to improve yourself, like in a like troubleshooting ways, like a different issues we can line up easily. Okay, so we can follow one kind of pattern when you are telling an answer at a time of interview. That's the point. Okay, heavy applications, more than one antiviruses related or antiviruses, or only even one single antivirus also sometimes very big deal. Okay, unused applications taking more space. Its meaning is heavy application is a comes under that one. When you say heavy application means application taking more space, more running. You know, earlier days we have a mobile application built by Java based application. Now it is Android based applications are there we are using, right? So Java based applications, jar files are there for mobile applications, jar files are there, mobile Java applications. And when certain systems like in a symbiosis, if you take Symbian, Nokia mobile phone OS, not work with the Java Symbian based applications, Java based application. Java based application small in size, but very big games you can do it. Like a just you download a 2 MB file, you can play at least a very big game. It is high level games you can able to play very small size, very less uh, space occupancy, less utilization of resources. Java related application. But when I download a Symbian based application, Symbian store, that time means OS based store, it take 400, it means not 400, 70 MB, 30 MB, 40 MB, 100, 101, 150 kind of stuff, that kind of MBs. Very small game it is. Maximum 10 levels. 10 levels completed, your waste that one. Very slow down your system. So it is a application performance. So heavy application does not mean always it is a size is very big. It can be a small, it can be a big, sometimes it can be a running is very slow down your system. So that is point of some application or a heavy application, unused application. Why unused application, guys? For example, I don't use torrent, uTorrent I'm not using. Okay, or maybe I don't use certain browsers. Like earlier I have a browser called Opera browser. You install any application, Opera also will be installed. I don't know why it is. Opera is installed. So what to do? I don't use it. When I start my computer, Opera will also starts. Opera also will start. So what it happens? System is also occupied with that unused application. The background services of application important is your task manager. Check in the task manager. What are the occupancy of an applications in your background? If you look at here, there are a lot of things are occupation is there. Okay, see HP support. Where is HP thing here? My mouse is not HP. It is a Logitech. That is my belongs because of my printer is HP. My printer is HP. IGFX. It is a belongs to your monitor, graphics related. Okay, some point I type, energy management. Some applications really are not using currently, at least at present, but in a background it runs. Motorola helper agent. Where is Motorola? It is my very old mobile phone. Because of that related application is still installed in this PC, those services are running in my PC. Understand, guys? I uninstalled those. I didn't uninstall those applications. So what happened? Those applications still in my PC. The related services and process are running in my PC. Okay. So unused applications. Why unused applications? Look at here. It is. Unused application. You are not using those applications. What is unnecessary space occupation? First of all, your disk space is full. First of all, unnecessary disk space is full. Second one is sometimes it runs in background. You are not using it, but it is runs in a background. Sorry, why group? By group I type, right? Group means, so my fingers are typing, I'm not typing. So my fingers are typing in a group, users, groups, kind of stuff. Okay, not a background is a very difficult. Okay, so that's runs in a background. It's a habitual action. Runs in a background. The process runs in a background. Process of it sometimes runs in a background. Services, startups. Sometimes it is in a startups also. Again, task manager. It is there is a startups. You can see there is a startups. So here it is some applications in the startup. So what it will do? It runs at a startup. Okay, so it will runs in a background. Okay, the services related to that service will consumes okay, system resources. What is system resources? Your CPU, your RAM, and a hard disk. These are it consumes thing. That's why your system is slower because of your unused applications link in a startups. Unnecessary disk space is occupying, unnecessary background task is running. Okay, so you are not using, but still service is running. I showed some example, Motorola help desk. I'm not using Motorola mobile, but application is still there in my PC. It is occupying some space. It is effects on my CPU, RAM, and disk also. Look at here, CPU, memory, disk, network, and GPU. Consuming these resources automatically, whether you use or not use. So this is the first
Sir, are
important
they
thing. You tell me.
are those applications useful, sir? Those Motorola.
Currently not useful for me because my mobile is that much damaged, and I left in my Pune. So whenever I went there,
So
so I have to remove all the connections and so backup also I'm
if
not
we want,
using because I thought still the backup is important. Yeah, tell me another question.
we can delete now, sir.
Yeah, we can delete it. Okay, we can delete it. How to uninstall? So that is also will cover up. Here it is. Uninstall the applications which you are not handled by system, and uninstall any additional antiviruses. Uninstall unused application. Why unused applications? It unnecessarily occupying space. You know, even myself, I have a games. For example, Far Cry 3, Far Cry 2 completed, and I uninstalled it. Far Cry 1 last part is pending. Still unable to complete that one. Still it is in my PC. Okay, COD, Call of Duty games are there. I installed maximum. Some are still in my PC. Some one or two games are other games are there in my PC. But maximum last time I installed it. Point is, guys, it is when you are completed, you are no longer using that applications. Better to uninstall from your PC. So what is a effect of this unused application? Unnecessary occupation of the PC disk space. Process runs in your background. I already showed a Motorola kind of stuff. Or already have one example. I said Opera example. CC cleaner. Like CC cleaner I'm using. Sometimes I will use CC cleaner, no problem. This is some applications I never use it. I may for example, there is a I have an application called GNS3 because I am networking guy basically. I'm a My career is a networking concept, but my career went to this all other things like DevOps and Python, cloud computing. So I'm basically networking guy. So I have a Cisco packet tracer that is compulsory because I am representing networking part, right? And also GNS3 is one of the very good simulation software for practicing networking CCNA, CCNP. But I'm not using from last 3 years. I'm not at all using. Okay, last time I touched 2017. Okay, so I leave it for almost 3 years. I never used it. So finally, I uninstalled that GNS3 from my PC. I uninstalled because one GNS3 application is connected to 3-4 other applications. So obviously, why should we use all these applications? I'm not using currently. I can install anytime I want because if I use a 3 years back application, now I have to update it again. So why should I again update? So I uninstall it. Some applications I keep it like that, even though I am not using. Some applications am leaving. So like this, go to meeting. I got this ID in a 2020, almost 2021. I got a go to meeting ID. 1 year I used it. Later I realized it is not useful for students. I can use it, but for students, lot of people are using mobile data. Wi-Fi is no problem, unlimited, but mobile is a daily 1 GB, 2 GB data. So it is consuming within a 1 hour. It is consuming 1 GB data. One session 1 GB, at least 3 hours. 1 GB is completed completely. 1 GB, 1.5 GB is completed. So people, without a mobile data, how people will survive, right? Without Instagram, some people literally they will suicide. If Instagram stop for 1 day, so suicide rate increases. Okay, okay, the mental hospital will fill. So that is important. So I changed to other things like a Google Meet kind of stuff. Finally, anyway, our organization giving very good thing, that is Google Meeting. Okay, even this is also we are getting. I am getting issues. I will tell how I troubleshoot those things. Okay. So first troubleshooting is so okay. Now you guys understand if you are keep your old application, you are never using that one, or you are for longer period of time you are not using, but still you are having a problem in with it. Next one is double antiviruses. If you are having a more antiviruses, your system is literally very slow. And how to uninstall those things? How to uninstall certain applications you cannot able to uninstall normally, like antiviruses, drivers, or old applications or heavy applications. In normal mode of system, you are unable to uninstall it. You can uninstall by using safe mode. Okay, you can install by. So in case of you are unable, in case of if in case you are not able to or unable to uninstall antiviruses, go to safe mode and try to uninstall. And I am putting one more point is here. It is you can install applications. Already given that one, applications which we cannot install in normal mode. So normal mode, in safe mode, you can uninstall applications which we cannot uninstall in a normal mode. So how to go to safe mode also I told. Save mode screen also I told. Guys, one point we are missing. So this is a completely rotational. I started with the virus and problem with double viruses and problem with the system slowdown, not only a virus part, also because of your old applications, heavy applications, applications in a background part. So this is completely uninstallation wise I am telling. Okay. Next part I will tell about a service wise also will tell. Okay. Here it is. First of all, normally in uninstall applications. Okay. How to uninstall an application, guys? Go to run, put appwiz.cpl. What is appwiz.cpl? It is go to your control panel. Goes to control panel, programs and features. Look at here. In a run, I am putting appwiz.cpl. Okay. It is a programs and features in this box. Next, what is run? So what it will open? Control panels, programs and features. Okay. R. Why R? So look at here. This is my control panel. Of course, category kind of stuff. This is my control panel. In control panel, I'm going to programs and features. Same window, right? So that's why I put R. Array, just you put this one, it will open programs and features. So what are the options? You will get it. Select your application. There you can find uninstall, change, repair, depends upon your system. Okay. To uninstall, you will select uninstall, right? So uninstall application. Uninstall is for uninstalling application. Change. If you select a change to modify features of the application. So I'm not writing anything for uninstall. Uninstall is for uninstalling purpose. Change is basically for to modify feature of that application. Okay, so to modify the feature. For example, I'm selecting this Brave. You are getting uninstall. See, uninstall and change. This is packet tracer. I'm getting uninstall. Atom. See, here it is. Apple software update. Uninstall, change, repair. Repair the installation of this program. Change the installation of this program. Uninstall this program. Okay. So depends upon your application. You are getting uninstall or a change options and repair options also. So three options we'll see. So uninstall basically for uninstalling an application. Change is to modify the feature of feature of things. For example, an application having a 5 features are there, but when I'm installing with the only 2 features, I check the 2 features installed. Now I realize I want to add one more feature. Then I will go to change. Then I will change the feature of that particular application. That's a possibility. Installation of additional features. So meaning is installation or remove additional feature. Meaning is installation of an additional feature. Why remove feature? For example, I install some application. It contains 5 features. I installed with the 4 features. Now I got a doubt. So there is certain feature is not required for me. So what I have to go to? I'll go to change and I will go to change option inside. Then I remove the feature and go to next. That particular feature will be removed in the things. Because of that feature, I am getting issue. I removed it. So this is change option. Repair option. What is repair option? Application not work properly. Like not loading, not working, not loading. Usually my Microsoft application given me so many times this problem. Okay, given this time of problem. So like I have to search for my Microsoft Office. Microsoft, yeah. See, it is Microsoft apps, Office 365 apps for business. Sometimes it will give some problems. So then I will go to change or a repair. If it shows a repair, then I will go to repair. Okay, so here it is what it is showing. Quick repair, online repair. Okay, so what I want to do is I'll take a screenshot. I'll keep it here. Okay, if you want, I will say forward to you also, no problem for me. So look at here. I click on a change, but it is showing quick repair, online repair. What is this? My Microsoft Office 365 application is not working. When I open, it is not opening properly. So what I have done? It is got crashed. So I choose first quick repair. First I will choose quick repair. So what is quick repair? Mixes most issues frequently without need internet connection. So it is no need to connect to Microsoft organization to get what is an issue, what is the solution kind of stuff. It understands certain issues itself. It will repair it. Some application related, service related or anything. Application understand that kind of issues, recent issues. It fixes. So quick repair. Quick repair is not working. Then I will choose online repair. What is online repair? In online repair, our application, my Microsoft Office 365, connects to the Microsoft website. Their automated server is there. So what happened? It understands what is the issue of your application. Find out any suggested solution. Automatically it sends that information, right? Do this one, reload the application, restart your PC kind of stuff. Okay, so just you have to click on a repair. So obviously it will try to repair itself and we'll get a normal thing. So okay, some application, see, it is uninstall is not there for Edge because it's a feature, not an application kind of stuff. Okay, like this is change and uninstall. Some applications are having a change, some are not, only uninstall. See, this is the Motorola mobile driver installation. Okay, Motorola device manager, so mobile assistance. These three applications causing that extra background features. When I installed, see, this is a 2016. That time I have a mobile phone, Lenovo. Later I purchased a Motorola phone, 2017. Okay, so so that's a very old application. Recently also not updated anything. So this is also currently not required for me. This also I'm not using at all. This is recently I'm not using, but maybe I will use in future. Recently I installed this one. Okay, you can see installed on. Also you can look at here it is. When is the last installation? So something is updated. That's it is showing last installation. Okay, this is also something is updated. Atom is already recently installed only. Brave. This is somewhat updating. Because of that, it is showing like, see, WPS Office literally don't require now. Okay, I can uninstall it. Okay, literally not required currently. If I go like this, 2013, these things are installed. but I cannot uninstall because it's a CAM related application. This is not required. Power DVD literally not required because I don't use any DVD writers here now. Okay, these are the my drivers related one, sound related one. This is also to the free ride games I am not using now. I can uninstall it. Okay, like this. Certain applications literally not required in our PCs, like this VMware vSphere client. vSphere client won't work after 6.0 version. So currently 7 version is running. I'm not using anyway 5.5 or 6 versions. So it is not required. I can uninstall it. So this is also not required. I don't know why it is there. SolarWinds response time viewer. It is also 2016 one. Okay, just uninstall or a change. I selected a change option. We'll see. Lumina UEFI blue driver. I don't know what it is. Recently, I purchased one USB dongle. Not recently, it is 3 years back. Purchased a Bluetooth dongle, Bluetooth pen drive USB type Bluetooth connector. So we can connect any Bluetooth device through it. Later, I got a lot of problem with that one last year. So I installed that application like that. Magic Plus. Why it is not showing anything? Okay, sometimes we try once uninstallation and again we'll try to uninstall immediately another application. It throw a message like this, not like this, some unnecessary application. Okay, so guys, when you are uninstalling an application and you are trying to uninstall another application parallelly, it will throw a error message sometimes. Not that what I showed. Okay, not this one, not this one. Something it is showing, but when you are uninstalling some applications, while that one, okay, you are uninstalling another application, it throws uninstallation in progress. So we have to wait till the previous application is completely uninstalled. That is important. Okay, so this is how to uninstall an application. Yeah, not completed, guys. This is uninstalling an application. This is adding a features. This is view installed updates, recent updates. For example, you got a BSOD or some issue. Recently, your system is updated. From last update, your system is not working properly. What to do? Very simple. You have to select the last update and uninstall the update. Okay. Check when is the last update installed on. So it is a very recent update is, this is the recent update. So you can uninstall it from here. Yeah, this is a very old laptop. It is 2013 laptop, but so you can uninstall the application. Because of this application, you are getting a problem. Yesterday updated. Today I got a problem. Okay, after update. Yesterday night it is updated. Today not working properly. You can uninstall the updates also. So that's the point I want to tell. Guys, this is how to uninstall an application. This is also not required. Qt PDF writer is not required. You can uninstall it also. Okay, so these are the options are there. Important is uninstall the applications I am talking. So if your application is very old or not required or not at all using, okay, it causing some problems. You feel recent application installation causing some issue. Recent installation of an application causing an issue. Not only old one. recent installation of application causing system slow array issues. What to do? Same solution. Uninstall the application. How to uninstall it? appwiz.cpl or go to control panel, programs and features. Install your application. Change, repair, change applications or repair applications. Make also, so in that one these options are there. Uninstall it. If you are unable to uninstall application, okay. If you are unable to uninstall applications in a normal board, you can go to safe mode. And already I told how to go to safe mode. Okay. So these are the things, guys. First point. Next point I will tell the repair options also. What is the use of these repair options? Okay. And what are the things we can able to do it? Okay. Uninstallation, installation, repair, when we can use it. Okay. In an application manner. So again, once again I will tell about my system is slow. What to do? System slow because of few things. So one of the thing, there is a few things are there. One of the thing is heavy applications running. Heavy applications are running. Multiple antiviruses. Unused applications. Still it is in your PC. It is running in your background. Recent installation of some application system, suddenly it is become a very slow. Okay, very slow. System is recent application installation system is very slow. One more is there, that is called this is all about uninstallation part, but I want to add one more point here. These are all comes in one only, but this is a little separate. I want to add it. This multiple apps open, multiple applications open, multiple applications open. Meaning is here it is a control panel open. Okay, no problem. But you can see this is my Outlook. This is a Teams, compulsory Teams, right? But my Outlook not compulsory. But as I'm working, my Outlook is very important. For example, these tabs are unnecessarily open. Okay, like that. In a background, if I open my virtual machine application, my virtual machine is an application, VMware workstation. VMware workstation, it is an application, right? I open, I will see. Okay, also I'm playing game application. Also I'm playing a video using some application, VLC player, like that. Okay, I'm also running a CC cleaner. Okay, like a lot of applications I am running. For example, SQL developer is there here. SQL developer application I'm running. Okay, unnecessarily, just I open and leave it. You know, when I, I have a friend. So she's a software development related. She's training for it. She was trainer. Now she's doing real time, luckily. So she got that job, no problem. Okay, so she was a trainer for software related thing. I'm networking related, she's software related. So our system is always slow because you open all applications. One is like a NetBeans or Eclipse, okay, Visual Studios, That is .NET, this is Java, but Visual Studios, backend Tomcat servers, okay, like that. So you open a lot of things at one system. RAM is 8 GB RAM, i3 processor, 8 GB RAM. System is dead slow. See, now this is, sir, my system is slow. So why is slow? It is you are open so many applications. If you close all applications, it works fine. Open one by one, use it and close it. But depends upon their project, they have to open a lot of things. Even in Visual Studios, not Visual Studio Code, guys. Visual Studios is very slow compared to Eclipse. Visual Studio is very slow. Okay, of course. Okay, in a background applications, and a lot of things are running. And because of those applications and updates, a lot of virus is also there. Okay, so multiple applications are open, that is also slow down your PC, but this is not in this part. Okay, so close unused apps, close unused apps, currently not using. Currently not using, at present not required, so compulsory close it. That's a simple point. Close unused apps, that's a simple point. But these are applications and uninstallation method I told. I'm telling you about Windows Defender. That is, I will tell after some time. Okay, guys, this is about one point. System is slow. Okay. Second point, I will tell what is the system. One system is very slow. Okay. What are the background services? How to manage the this background services part. Okay. Performance checking, closing running applications, ending tasks, and startups. These are other causes of system is slow. Okay, general better management, first management is this one, and regular management means on spot management is, these are all very important. So next, after small break, I will give you a 10 minutes break. After break, I'm going to explain what are the startups, how to manage the startups, what are the services, how to disable those kind of services. Okay, how to enable services, disable manual services. Okay, and how to kill the process kind of stuff also we'll see. Okay, so these are entirely system management related and your system basic system administration related. Okay, so take a break, guys, take a 10 minutes of break, and also better to find out what is Windows Defender, use of Windows Defender also. Come back at exactly 1 o'clock. Yeah, people are left. And